Actress Amber Heard wants another trial for Johnny Depp. The American actress Amber Heard has officially appealed the conviction she received for a defamation offense committed against fellow actor Johnny Depp, who accepted a multi-million-dollar settlement. Los Angeles Times reports that the actress' legal team believes there were numerous mistakes made during the trial, including the fact that the wedding took place in Virginia, and the court's refusal to accept certain communications between Heard and a few doctors as evidence. In a 2018 opinion piece Heard wrote for The Washington Post, the main character of the Pirates of the Caribbean series accused Heard of betraying him. The jury sentenced Heard to prison and awarded Depp $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages, which were later reduced to $350,000 due to Heard's filing of a cross-complaint against her ex-girlfriend, whom she also accused of a defamation crime. The jury also awarded her damages of $2 million. Heard presented this new legal argument on November 23 before the Virginia trial court, according to the Los Angeles Times. In the appeal, Heard's legal team claims Virginia was a forum completely inconvenient for the case, and that California was the only location appropriate for the trial. The newspaper states that all parties and the majority of the witnesses to the incident were located in California, and none of them were located in Virginia. Furthermore, it is claimed that irrelevant and harmful evidence for their client was allowed to be considered, but third-party communications, such as those between Heard and the medical staff, that would have affected both parties' mental health were excluded. The case will now be heard by a panel of 3 judges from the Court of Appeals, who will make a decision in this regard. If Depp or Heard are not satisfied with the latest ruling of the appeals court, they may file a petition with the Virginia Supreme Court. The verdict in this medial proceeding, handed down unanimously by the jury on June 1, maintains that 3 statements made by Heard in an opinion piece published in 2018 by the newspaper The Washington Post defamed Depp, even though the actor also occasionally defamed his ex-wife through his then attorney.